Hi, I want to show you my massage. I can't believe it's been so long. Do you know what? It has been, I mean, like a proper, just a back massage. It's got to be so long because what I do is I have a set of videos that I made ages ago that everybody has said they were great, but here we go. This is for a back massage, like if you're just studying and you're learning. So it's for a level 3 back massage. I'm also going to put in some of the techniques that I use just when I'm massaging. So you'll have a little bit of hands-free as well, and enjoy. So, well, actually, before I start, and I am going to do another video of just working over the towel. I absolutely love over the towel work. I think, you know, when you land on the table and you're just starting to have a treatment, a little bit of over the towel grounding work of the whole body is really good. Even if you are doing a back massage, it's kind of nice to get the whole body aligned and squared off and open to receiving. So I'll stay this side just for the minute, but I would go round and just pressing, and palming is just so lovely. That pressure just calms the nervous system down to begin with and just introduces you to the receiving body that is going to enjoy switching off, calming down, resetting their nervous system, nourishing the skin, improving circulation, improving lymphatic flow. So many benefits. So a little tuck here, just at the top of the crease of the bum, I think is really good. Then a little tuck under the hip. I think that sort of feels nice and secure. So just exposing the sacrum as well. So we'll start with our effleurage. Now, I like to do an effleurage. First of all, this is just to get the oil on, but I like to get an effleurage so that it's big and contours. So it comes down and around the body and down just to the elbow, swinging back around the deltoid, up the trapezius, up the neck, and then back on. Just a very brief on. I'm just going to spread the oil a little bit, just swinging across. And again, just down, up round deltoid, up trapezius, up to the occiput, and then off and then on again. Once I've done sufficient, and it's at this point you can decide, do I need a little bit more oil? So I do need a little bit more oil, and I'm just going to come round. This time I'm just going to oil a little bit more onto my arms. And up, good. So, you know, if you're doing a level 3, you can come, you know, you will have to be learning kneading, ringing, effleurage, petrissage, open palm lift and knead. So, you know, you've got these lovely moves. This is a lovely move. This open palm lift and scoop, and kneading from side to side is really good. And then I'll show you a little bit of an advanced move as well, just on this side. So if I'm doing that and you've already passed and you're looking for some forearms, definitely need just a little bit more oil here. I like to work with the anterior surface here, just taking a wider stance, a little bit of a lower stance, and I'm just doing that circle around the ilium, the iliac crest, up on the top of the glutes, coming down through the waist space where the kidneys lie. And this is just a really lovely way to work that area. Now, you might have seen, and it does replace, and this is also really nice, this hand over hand technique. If you're doing your level 3, this is lovely, hand over hand, pulling in. Just really, really nice. I think we know whatever way you're doing this, the most important thing is to really move your body, and don't be shy of moving your body. And that's really the most important thing. If you're standing still doing kneading, you're actually compressing around your glutes and lower back. So even if I'm doing a kneading, I'm going to be moving and breathing. Good. So, double forearms, excuse me. So my palms are face down. The reason I've got my palms face down in particular is so that you have this really soft anterior surface. If I was to change the direction or the angle of my hands and have them pointing in, all of a sudden you're working with the ulnar edge, which is really quite strong. So I'm keeping my palms down to work in the anterior surface so it's nice and soft. Coming round the shoulders, up here through the rhomboid, up through the rhomboid, over trapezius, keeping it nice and soft and fleshy as I come over the acromion junction here. Nice and slow and steady and strong, just really leaning in, using my body weight to create the power here. And then if I'm wanting to come up with my forearm and my elbow, I'm going to come right over the top. Now, I teach this in my level 3 because I think it's such a good move. Up and over the top. I'll come and show you the other side in a second. What you must do so that you don't have your bony elbow on the acromion process. If you don't know what I'm talking about with the acromion process, it's where the clavicle meets the spine of scapula and they form a junction at the end of your shoulder. If you just press down on your shoulder, you'll feel how cringy that can be. So we want to clear that so we're not pressing down on the acromion process. Let me just show you this on the other side so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm coming up, flat surface, moving into ulnar edge. Can you see I'm just changing the direction of my hand to create a different emphasis and application. So here's a nice soft, and then just about the lower border of scapula, I'm going to just turn. So I'm coming up with the anterior surface, changing just into the ulnar edge. And then as I come straight over, my tricep drops over the top of the trapezius crest. And then I'm swinging round with my tricep over the acromion, coming up over the top of the trapezius. Swinging round. Nice. So gliding up. Change the ulnar edge. Elbow follows. Tricep over the top of the trapezius, swinging round to clear the acromion. I also love working here, teres major, teres minor. I love working here. And you can use just the ulnar edge again to sweep down. It's nice and strong. Just sweeping down and sweeping down. Nice. Good. So the other thing that you can do here is that you can lean in and you can just bring your elbow a little bit sharper by bringing your hand closer to your face. I know that's strong. You okay in there? That is strong. Good. So there's that. Now, the other way is that you can use just your fingertips and your knuckles, knuckling. Knuckling's good. And a lot of therapists still work with thumbs. So all I will say is, look, if you're going to work with your thumbs, make it really work for you. So have a really straight stack between the thumb joints and your arm, just so that you're working. So you're not working with a bent joint here in your thumb and stooping over and stooping like this. This is just wrong. So make sure it's wrong for it's not wrong, but it's wrong for your posture. And we don't want to be doing that. So we absolutely must look after ourselves and our joints. So correct alignment is super important. Okay, so when I'm doing a massage, obviously I'm not talking and I'm not demonstrating, so it flows a lot better. I love coming round here with my Forearms, I have got my palms together, so I'm actually approaching with, oh, nice. Little location there, relocation, that's good. Not to be afraid of that if you do. Just relocate. So coming on at the top here. Through, what I'm doing is I'm passing through the rhomboid space. I'm making a little channel underneath for the spine to sit through. There's another relocation. Goodness gracious, that's lovely for you. You're going to feel a lot better after this. There we go. Good. So yeah. So this is definitely a bit more than a tutorial than just showing you how I massage. Because when I'm massaging, I'm in my flow and I'm moving around. I work hands-free entirely. I'm just doing nice big circles. Really warming up the rhomboid and trapezius, warming up latissimus dorsi, and then getting in a little stronger. All the while keeping these hands soft here. Good. So there is lots more to do. There's lots more to do. I often take the arm off the end of the bed. Maybe I'll save that for another time. And cover working on the arms lying face down rather than supine. It's just another option. Here I'd love to do the neck this way. I get to stand and have a little breather, but this is really strong. Nice circles here and stripes. And stripes with my thumb. And then I'm going to do a pirouette for the end of the video. I'll do more videos just to show you other sections like sacrum. It's kind of cool just to sort of jump in and see a little bit of my massage teachings and a little bit of examples. Circles and stripes. My thumb is pulling away levator scapula, splenius capitis and the scalenes, just pulling down. So nice. Away from the cervical spine. Easy, nice for me. Circles, circles and stripes. Good. So yes, I'll make another video because I like to do lots of work around sacrum here, sacrum piriformis, top of the glutes, around the obliques. There's some nice techniques here. So please do just follow along with me. I'm going to take you through some massage tutorials just to get you back into your massage if you haven't been doing it for a while. Support your learning if you're doing a level 3, and also give you some nice techniques and tips if you're already a massage therapist. For example, just working, leaning into piriformis and top of the glutes. This is a really nice, it's very simple. I've got my whole body weight on. And then also working from this angle. So delish. So we can do a whole sort of lower back, but I just wanted to show you some shoulder work today, some neck work, a bit of nice effleuraging, definitely working teres major, teres minor. I can also, in another tutorial, show you some acupoints, working either side of the spine. But for now, hopefully it's a nice introduction to you if you haven't been following me before, just into my teachings and the way I work. And like I said, I think the last video I made was probably, honestly, about 12 or so years ago. And it's been running it runs really well, but it's time to just reintroduce myself to all my lovely new followers. And in case you can't backtrack 12 years. So, Thank you so much for watching. Now, if you'd like to do any training with me, I'm based in Bournemouth. I run the School of Fine Tuning, and I am on Instagram as the School of Fine Tuning, and you found me here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe with me just to see what's coming up next, and also my website, which is theschooloffinetuning.com, where I have all the courses that I'm doing, all the treatments that I offer, and a little bit more about me. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch up with you again soon. Thank you.